we lost the people, we lost the things, we lost the different things. This happened because of the earthquake. And earthquake comes on sudden movement, when sudden is something is happening in the interior of the earth, or sudden, all of sudden, that's called interior earthquake. See, now read earthquake. Because of the movements occurring in the interior of the earth, tremendous tension is created in the earth crust. When the tension goes beyond the limits, the energy is released from the waves. See, if you will give, or if you pressurize on something, we'll take the example of a paper. If you are pulling from one side and your brother is pulling from other side, what will happen? You will get the tension in that paper, and the paper will tear easily. You'll crack it. Paper easily will crack, or sorry, tear. So this has happened. When you give the tension to on earth, or to earth, though, we will feel the sudden earthquake of these earths. For example, earthquake occurs. The magnitude of earthquake is measured by the Richter scale, seen in figure of 211. See, Richter scales means, if, see, agar Richter scale is 5.5, that means this earthquake is less powerful. When it's around 7 or above 7, that means the earthquake is powerful. And when it goes to 9, says 9 or more than 9, then is the earthquake is very, very powerful. See, this is the causes of earthquake, which used to ask in exam. Moving of plates, colding of plates, plates sliding one below the other, forming of fracture in the rock layer due to the tension in the interior of the earth, or occurring of volcano eruptions. Obviously, moving of the plates, when a plates move from one place to another, this also causes the earthquake. Coddling of the plates means when the plates are coming towards each other, that's called coddling. Plates sliding one below the other means they are below each other, then also we can face the earthquake. Forming of the fracture in the rock layer due to the tension in the interior of the earth, like I have given the example of the paper. If you will pull in full force from one side, and your brother will pull from other side with full pressure, what will happen? The paper will get the fractures, and that will causes the earthquake. Occurring of the volcanic eruptions. Obviously, when the lava or the magma come out from the earth, you can also face the earthquake. Understand? Now, focus. This, do you know? Indo-Australia, Africa, Eurasia. Eurasia means Europe and Asia. Europe and Russia. North America, South America, Pacific, and Antarctica are 7 major plates. These Earth's crust is made up of such plates. Ocean and continents are spread over these plates. Depending on the compression and the tension formed in the interior of the Earth, these plates move in a various direction. See, various direction is like maybe in the horizontal or maybe in the vertical. We will face a different situation when it is goes on vertical and horizontal. So we have these 7 major plates, which we can face the continents or oceans because of these changes in these plates.